Gallery Art Cradle hosted an exclusive show by Hands of Shakti, a transformative project by Suhani Saigal. The preview was held on the 28th of September 24 at C153, Nirvana Courtyard, Sector 50, Gurgaon. Anjana Kuthiala, internationally renowned artist and former Femina Miss India, inaugurated the show. HOS aims at empowering the underprivileged Indian woman from diverse backgrounds by providing creative opportunities for economic independence. It fosters a supportive community that celebrates creativity and uplifts women, transcending economic empowerment to become a symbol of inclusivity and self-expression. Founding member Suhani Saigal is 16 years old and started this project when she was 14. She is the founding member of the Hands of Shakti and passionately believes in the untapped potential of the seemingly common Indian woman, aspiring to provide her with a platform to flourish. With a profound commitment to making a positive impact, Suhani envisions a world where the common Indian woman's talents and skills can shine, enabling her to achieve greater self-reliance and recognition. Credits for the flowers to the women from Vikasa Foundation, Gurugram, Parivar Seva Sanstha, Mevat, and the JMC Community Centre, Delhi. The show was well attended by people from Gurgaon and Delhi. The show is open for public viewing from 28th to the 29th of September 24, 11 a.m. to 7 p.m.
I will hand over the mic to Suhani Saigal now, the brain behind this whole project.
So hi, I'm Suhani Saigal. I study at grade 11 in the Shri Ram School, Molsari. I started this project Hands of Shakti at the beginning of 2023 in January. The idea behind this initiative, I was inspired by my sister who has special needs to start this initiative. After she graduated school, my mother and I created a business for her where we created simple yet creative tasks that required basic skills for her to do. And through doing this project, we met many women who came into our house, underprivileged women who were interested in this work and seemed to really enjoy what we were doing. So I thought and a lot of these women weren't allowed to work, or they were in very vulnerable positions where they had no financial control over their lives, and that obviously made them have low self-esteem, and they felt like they weren't doing anything for themselves. So our project Hands of Shakti was created to help give them a platform where they can do these simple creative tasks from the comfort of their own homes and take a step towards financial independence. And the exhibition today here is showcasing some of the products I've made using their flowers. And we hope that we generate some, these sell, and we can sustainably carry on this business for them. So currently, till date, Hands of Shakti has worked with 3 different organizations. We worked with the Vikasa Foundation in Gurgaon, the Parivar Seva Sanstha in Mevat, and the JMC Community Outreach Center. So over there, we've conducted various trainings. In the first training, we taught them how to make these simple cloth flowers with sequins. And after that, we taught them how to make these pumpkin ball embellishments, which were relatively very easy for the women to pick up. And after a few trainings, they really got a hang of it. And we then started collecting these flowers in bulk from them. So using this, we create various products, such as this keychain, and a decorative item like this bandhan var, which will go on people's doors in the festive season. There's also these paintings that this exhibition's about. Using these, we've stuck the flowers and the pumpkin balls on all of the paintings over here. So, yeah.
Yeah, hi viewers. This is Malvika Saikia. I am the founder of Gallery Art Cradle. As a curator, I am immensely proud to be associated with Hands of Shakti and to showcase this meaningful work. This collaboration goes beyond the walls of this gallery. It is a partnership rooted in shared values of inclusion, empowerment, and the belief that art can be a force for social good. I look forward to continuing our support for this incredible cause and to seeing how Hands of Shakti continues to grow and make an even greater impact in the years to come. Suhani, a young girl of 16 years, her dedication and passion are truly inspiring. She has reminded us of the power of one person vision to change lives. We are proud to stand with her and support her journey. Thank you so much.
I'm Anjana Kuthiala. I'm a world-renowned painter and I'm a former Femina Miss India. I am here to support Suhani. She's a wonderful artist. She's so young. She's only 16, but she will go a long way. As I can see the spark of talent in her, and we are all very proud of her. May God bless her and give her tremendous success in the time to come. Art is a very difficult profession. It's very difficult to sell paintings. I've been very fortunate. I've done 4,000 paintings. They're all over the world. And may she also follow in my footsteps.
Hi everyone, I'm Anjana Srivastav, brand integration expert, and my heartiest congratulations to Suhani, a very young talent, and she's just 16 years old, and it's incredible to do these type of project at this age. Beautiful initiative she has taken, and as well I'm very grateful to Gallery Art Cradle. They have provided their space to them to showcase their skills, their craftsmanship, and I'm thankful to Anjana Kuthiala. She is amongst us today as a chief guest, a former Miss India 1975 and a renowned artist. And she has come all the way to support us, to support Suhani and team, and to support Art Cradle Gallery at Malavika Saikia. Thank you so much. Thank you for having me here.
मेरा नाम भावना है, मैं एक स्पेशल एजुकेटर हूँ। मैं सुहानी की फैमिली से जुड़ी हुई थी, तो मैं उसे जनरल बेसिस पे मिलती रहती थी। तो उसने एक दिन शेयर करा कि आई वांट टू डू समथिंग, मैं लेडीज़ को हेल्प करना चाहती हूँ, लेट्स स्टार्ट समथिंग। तो उसके पास कुछ आइडियाज़ थे, उसने हमारे साथ सबने मिलकर कोलैबोरेट करा। वी क्रिएटेड अ टीम, एक टीम बना करके फिर हमने छोटी छोटी चीज़ें स्टार्ट करी, जिसमें अंडर प्रिविलेज वुमेंस को हेल्प करना स्टार्ट किया, घर बैठ के उनको काम देना हमने स्टार्ट किया। उसके अकॉर्डिंगली वहाँ से जो फ्लावर्स वगैरह कलेक्ट होकर के आते थे, सुहानी उनसे प्रोडक्ट्स बनाती थी, मिलके फिर हमने उन प्रोडक्ट्स को फ्रेम दे करके रेडी किया है। तो उसके लिए आज हम एग्जीबिशन करने आए हैं इस आर्ट लॉन्च के अंदर। पिछले 1-1.5 साल से इसके ऊपर काम कर रहे हैं। एक फ्लावर से जर्नी स्टार्ट करी थी और आज हम यहाँ पे पहुँच चुके हैं। अभी तो हमने पौधा लगाया है, लेट्स सी कि कितना बड़ा पेड़ बनता है आगे जा कर के। सुहानी एक बच्ची है, लेकिन उसका माइंड बहुत शार्प है, बहुत शार्प है। वो बहुत क्रिएटिव है। वो इतने कतरन से, मतलब उसने जैसे ये क्रिएट किया है, वो वेस्ट पेपर से, स्क्रैप से प्रोडक्ट्स, मतलब आर्ट क्रिएट करना जानती है वो। हाँ, मतलब हमारा एक स्पेस है, एक रूम है जिसमें हम यूज़ करते हैं।
मेरा नाम ज्योति है, मैं डिज़ाइनर और पर्सनल असिस्टेंट हूँ और मैं सुहानी से और मैम से मिलती रहती हूँ कभी कभी। तो ये सुहानी का आइडिया था कि ऐसे कि जो घर में बहुत सी, उसने सर्च किया कि बहुत सी औरतों को घर से बाहर निकल के काम करना अलाउ नहीं होता है। तो उसने फिर कपड़े से, कतरन से उसके दिमाग में आइडिया आया और उसने सबके साथ शेयर किया कि हम ये कर सकते हैं। तो उसने ऐसे फ्लावर डिज़ाइन किए, हमें बताया। फिर हम लोग जैसे कई जगह जाके औरतों के साथ उनको हमने वो फ्लावर सिखाया। फिर उसने ये सब आइडिया उसका है, उसने बनाया है सबके साथ करके, ख़ासतौर पर उन औरतों के साथ जो बिल्कुल भी निकल नहीं सकती हैं, ताकि वो अपने लिए भी कुछ इनकम कर सकें।